starting December 8th. This will be held in 3 phases, 8th, 10th and 14th. And notification for the same will be coming on November 12th, that is tomorrow. Aam Aadmi Party Kerala will be contesting local body elections and giving the option to people of Kerala to choose the kind of politics of Sri Arvind Kejriwal, which he did magnificently in Delhi thrice. Kerala is sick and tired of the politics of violence, politics of corruption, which LDF and UDF have been doing for decades. With this entry in local body election, Aam Aadmi Party Kerala will be venturing into that territory where Kerala will have a choice to choose honest politics over politics of corruption and over politics of communalism. For this, Aam Aadmi Party has set up a 6 members state election committee, and another important thing which I want to share with you, that Shri P.C. Syriac, who is a Keralite and former Chief Secretary Tamil Nadu, he is today formally joining the party. He'll be joining in half an hour from now in a press conference scheduled to be held in Arnakulam Press Club. And P.C. Syriac ji, after being many choices available here and there, he opted to join Aam Aadmi Party Kerala in order to give Kerala the kind of politics which it deserves. And I, on behalf of the party, welcome him in Aam Aadmi Party and wish him good luck in giving the kind of politics which Kerala has been looking for. Mr. Syriac will be heading this state election committee which we have formed, which is primarily of 6 people. Mr. P.C. Syriac is one person who is veteran bureaucrat and former Chief Secretary of Tamil Nadu. Then we have with me Mr. Vincent Philip. He is sitting by my side. He is educationist and entrepreneur. He has worked with me in the last 3 elections. Mr. Tufail P.T. He is a long-standing journalist, has worked with many organizations like the Halka, Outlook, etc. And he has been with us for some time. He has served also as Secretary and Convener of Aam Aadmi. Then we have Advocate Binoy Pulathil, who is a lawyer come activist, and he has been practicing in Supreme Court, taking many public interest affairs through legal channels for the people of Kerala. Then we have Padmanabhan Bhaskaran ji, who is a social entrepreneur and an IT consultant. And then we have Mr. V. Umar, who is an RTI activist and who works for people of Kerala in full enthusiasm. Friends, for the first time in the last 64 years, Kerala never witnessed something of this kind. For the first time, a party is openly will be releasing a URL a form whereby we invite all good intentioned people, all well-meaning people of Kerala, educationists, activists, lawyers, and one and all. It could be trader, farmer, researcher, advocates, IT experts, anybody who is interested in making things in Kerala better than what UDF and LDF have so far given to Kerala. This form will be available to the people to apply. This will be available at the Facebook official page of Aam Aadmi Party Kerala, as well as at the website link, which will be distributing it to you through you also. And people who would apply will be scrutinized, and accordingly the State Election Committee of Aam Aadmi Party Kerala will decide on the final list of candidates. The candidates will be free to apply from 11th, that is today, till 16th of November, because 17th is the last day, 19th is the last day. So we hope that this new dimension of Kerala politics will bring much desired and away from corruption and communalism, which has rather become the rule of Kerala politics. Recently we have heard that, you must have heard, in the gold smuggling case, the serving IS officer to the Chief Minister was arrested